Hello calligraphers, and thank you for joining me in the third video in the series for beginners learning modern calligraphy. In this video I will show you how those thick and thin lines that we looked at last time turn into the letters of the alphabet. Open nib for our down, and we're releasing the pressure for the up. We're going across with that slight variation of weight, and then next we need to be able to change the pressure gradually. So when we go up, we're going over and coming back down. We want that to be smooth, and that change is called transition. The transition is the same in reverse. Ovals, up, over, and back up again. That diagonal, cross like that, so you'd use that on a K or a capital R, and a bit like the across stroke, gradually building up your pressure and then releasing it again gives it an elegance. Let me show you just a couple of letters completely dismantled. So the A, it could be an upstroke, it doesn't have to always be this way, but this one is going to be. There's my upstroke, my downstroke, and my cross stroke to give it more of a curvy style. I can give a bit of weight there, but my upstroke will always be thin. Avoid too much weight to the across stroke. You can see then it just looks off balance. You need that across stroke to have some lightness to it. And if I make that diagonal very thick, it doesn't look as good as graduated arches. Arch over and over. Oval for a D. The weight is this side. But if it's an oval for a B, it's this side. As I work through the alphabet, the down is heavy, the cross is a kind of a lighter stroke, as is that diagonal. Our arches and ovals need a soft change from thick to thin. And this is true for the lowercase as well. As you gain in confidence, you'll alter and personalise your style, but for now, there's a free download in the description that you can use to trace over. Join me next time. Common calligraphy problems. I'll see you then. Happy lettering!